In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Salesforce with Zapier. This integration can significantly streamline your workflows by automating tasks between these two powerful platforms. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Zapier homepage. You can do this by navigating to zapier.com. Once you're there, you'll see a clean, user-friendly interface that allows you to start connecting your favorite apps. Next, you want to click on App Connections. This is typically found on the main dashboard, and it's where you'll manage all your app integrations. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to a screen that shows your current app connections and the option to add new ones. Now it's time to click on Add Connection. This button is quite prominent, so you shouldn't miss it. Clicking it will allow you to initiate a new connection to one of the many apps available on Zapier, including Salesforce. At this point, you'll be prompted to find the app you want to connect, and for this tutorial, we're specifically looking for Salesforce. Go ahead and click on Highlight to help you locate it easier in the list of apps. Once you find Salesforce, click on it. After clicking Salesforce, you will see another Add Connection option. Go ahead and click that once again. This action signifies that you want to create a new connection for Salesforce. Now comes the exciting part. You'll need to sign into your Salesforce account. A prompt should appear asking you for your Salesforce credentials. Enter your username and password and follow any additional authentication steps required by Salesforce, such as two-factor authentication if you have it enabled. Once you're signed in, Zapier will guide you through connecting the two services. You'll be asked to allow Zapier access to certain data within your Salesforce account, things like contacts, leads, and opportunities. This permission step is crucial as it allows Zapier to perform its magic and automate tasks across both platforms. Once you've granted permission, your Salesforce account is now connected to Zapier. Congratulations, you've just taken a significant step towards automating your workflows. This means you can now set up Zaps, which are automated workflows that tell Zapier what to do when something happens in Salesforce. For example, you could set up a Zap to automatically create a new Trello card every time a new lead is added to Salesforce. The possibilities are vast, and this integration can save you a lot of time and effort by reducing manual entry and increasing accuracy in your processes. And that's it. You have successfully integrated Salesforce with Zapier, unlocking the power of automation between these platforms. Remember, once you've familiarized yourself with the basics, you can explore more advanced features and integrations to suit your specific needs. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more videos just like this one. Happy automating!